Have you ever felt why Lord Krishna did not tell Bhagavad Gita to Duryodhana? This is a very interesting question, because if Lord Krishna had told Bhagavad Gita to Duryodhana instead of Arjuna, then Mahabharata war in Kurukshetra could be avoided. Because if Lord Krishna had convinced Duryodhana to stop evil doings of Kauravas, then the Mahabharata war, which took many lives including those of Kauravas, could be avoided. Lord Krishna did try to convince Duryodhana before telling Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna in the battlefield. Lord Krishna tried to persuade Duryodhana to avoid war instead of knowing that war between Kauravas and Pandavas has to happen in order to establish dharma in this world. He tried many times to avert the bloodiest war on the planet. But it is the arrogance and ego of the Kauravas, especially Duryodhana, that destroys all the possibilities of averting the war. Lord Krishna asks Duryodhana that you, a prince of great lineage, you have been brought up well and you have everything you want, then why are you doing these horrible things to Pandavas? Is adharma, unrighteous and morally wrong the way you are treating Pandavas? Duryodhana says, I know what is right and what is wrong. You need not tell me. My problem is that instead of knowing what is right, I don't feel like doing it. Now, what is wrong, but I can't stop myself from doing it. And instead of listening to Lord Krishna, he outrightly rejected him. Duryodhana has no doubt about anything. He thinks he knows everything and doesn't need advice from anybody. On the other hand, Arjuna had the same doubts, but here is the key difference between Arjuna and Duryodhana. Both Duryodhana and Arjuna had doubts about life. Duryodhana's arrogance and ego prevent him from asking questions and clearing his doubts. On the other hand, Arjuna is not hesitant, nor he thinks that he knows everything. Arjuna surrenders himself to Lord Krishna and asks questions after questions. Srimad Bhagavad Gita is all about Arjuna asking questions to Lord Krishna and Krishna clearing his doubts. This is why they say answers will only come to those who ask questions. In Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna asked Lord Krishna why a person is compelled to commit sinful acts even unwillingly, as if by force in a sense. This is the same thing Duryodhana was saying, but he was not asking questions. He was justifying his sinful acts against Pandavas. Here, Arjuna is genuinely seeking knowledge from Lord Krishna. That's why even after knowing something is wrong, we commit sinful acts and then later we regret it. So, Lord Krishna did not tell Bhagavad Gita to Duryodhana. Instead, choose Arjuna. That's it for today, guys. Like the video, please share it. And this is your Spandan signing off. Jai Hind.